Mag-subscribe ka na!
Hello, hello, ay! Ang ganda! Oh, kabog! Oh, ay! Diyos ko, Lord! Oh, ang ganda, oh! Pak! Kabog. Oh. Nako, lagot na. Ang ganda. Di ba? Oh, ay! Oh, pak! Ang taray! Ang ganda! Oh my God! Grabe, go, nak! Oh, di ba? Love yan! Ganda! Oh, ay! Ay! Laban ng laban! Gustong gusto ko yan! Oh, di ba? Ang ganda! My gosh! Yung hair niya kumaka-trio na gray, ha? Saan ka pa, di ba? Ganda, oh. Nakikinig yung team niya, in fairness, sa mga pageant fans, kasi kinalmahan niya eh, di ba? O, di ba? Hindi siya sabog na sabog, putok na putok, di ba? Winner!
Miss Universe Philippines, Sinaloan, Laguna.
Oh! Kabog, oh! Pak! Winner! Ganda, di ba? Grabe, iba yung tindig ni Iliana. Pinaghandaan mga buweks. Ganda, Diyos ko, Lord. Parang bigla ko naramdaman na sa kanya yung corona ng Miss Universe Philippines. Nakakaloka! Sabi ko sa inyo nung mga naarang gabi, naarang araw, hindi ko pa nararamdaman eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, hintayin muna natin. Pero tignan nyo, nakakaloka sa Iliana. Diyos ko, oh. Grabe. Ganda. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung suot niya. Ang taray. Congratulations, Iliana Marie Aduana, ayan, for winning the Miss Universe Philippines 2025. O, di ba? Manifesting na. Ano ba, mga bakla? Alam nyo na, di ba? Go, go, go na yan. O, di ba? Parang kinukoronahan na ng ano. Kinukoronahan ni Chelsea Manalo. Di ba? Ganda, oh. Tingnan nga natin kung bagay sa kanyang koronang. Ginto! O at least kahit na hindi siya nag-MGI, ginto pa rin ang, ang corona niya. Ang ganda, oh. Ay. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, si Iliana Marie Aduana, grabe talaga yung ano nito, makinarya, no? Plakadong plakado. Ay, taray ni ano. Ganda talaga nung damit ni Miss Mags. Talagang ano rin to si Miss Mags eh, ano, laging pasabog, no? Hindi rin nagpapakabuag. Ganda, oh. Bagay sa kanyang corona. Winner, oh. Wala akong masabi. Congratulations, Nak! I'm so happy for you. O, Jimba. So, it's official.
Yes, Tinopnoli, but before I answer that, I just would like to acknowledge everybody's presence here today. Gusto ko lamang po sabihin, I just want to say thank you all so much, and I love you all so much. Beyond words, I hope there's a better term for me to say this one, but I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. And you know what? The reason why
Nalamon
I
na.
joined Miss Universe is because I feel like, I've always been that person who believes that there are reasons why things happen the way that they do. And let me begin by saying that 2023 was, ultimately exceptional. I think that's the best, representation of my 2023. It was really exceptional, but again,
Ganda, oh.
there are reasons why things happen the way that they do, and I wanted to push the envelope. I mean, I did not want to stop from there. I wanted to push more, and I wanted to see more of my capabilities. So at this point in time, I feel like I'm at this choice point where I want to discover what is in store for me in another door. And I feel like I'm really, really grateful for the MUPH Laguna for acquiring this franchise for me because it's also been a dream. And I just want to do the best thing that I can now. And I believe I deserve to be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I am obsessed. You know, I am obsessed with infinite possibilities and really excelling in all of those. And I feel like at this choice point, I have this equanimity that is really at its peak. And I've never been so level headed, and I'm ready to take on the challenges of being the Miss Universe Philippines. And with my experiences of being a well traveled queen, I've been to all 17 regions of the country, so I know all the local colors of the country. I know the different approaches to different types of people. And basically, I love the people. I love the people. I hope there's a better, expression that I can say now, but I love the people, and this overflowing love that I have within me is what makes me an effectual leader and an effectual spokesperson. And I think that to be a Miss Universe Philippines is to be that person, even as a regular being.
Okay.
My God! Mic
Ako
drop!
relate po agad sa
Grabe ang
level of
conviction,
scoring.
nakakaloka.
Thank you so much.
Iliana Marie Aduana, as always, she's very eloquent, very articulate, very, oh my God, yung communication skills niya, plakado-plakado, and the conviction is always there. Wala kang masabi. Hands down talaga ako, no? Huwag tayo magreklamo kung mahabang sagot niya, hindi pa ito pageant, no? So, kalma lang. Di ba? Okay lang yan.
As we all know, we have a lot of amazing Filipino beauty queens who have won in the Miss Universe pageant: Miss Margie, Miss Gloria, Miss Catriona, and Miss Pia. And I look up to all of them really, really well. And I am really inspired with every thing that they have contributed to the table, especially with the Philippine pageantry. But if I were to choose one Miss Universe winner, it would have to be Miss Arbany, because
Ooh.
I feel like I can resonate with her relatability, and I feel like she is really effective with touching other people's hearts. And I want to embody that kind of a woman, that kind of a Miss Universe queen, and also bring that aspect to the platform and be an amazing inspiration even to the people in different echelon in the society.
Eliana, if there is one word that you're going to describe your Miss Universe Philippines journey, anong word ito?
I think it would be universal, because I want to be known as well to be a uniquely universal Filipina, where her love is really overflowing, and within her is a whole gamut of superpowers, of skills, and amazing expertise in the field, where she can always inspire other people and make that as her strongest suit to touch people's lives and inspire other people to come join the mission with her. So I'll definitely say universal, and I'm proud to say that I am a universally unique Filipina.
How about
Wow.
you, Eloisa? If there's
Grabe.
one word. My question for you, dear, is what makes a beauty queen so much fun?
I think we can define fun in several ways, but I think a beauty queen who is there alongside the people and who is touchable can really be fun. And that kind of fun that she can bring to the table is the strength that she can also provide to the world of pageantry in championing the causes, the advocacies that she has within her heart. And you know what? Championing advocacy is really fun. And I want to contribute this fun side of me to the table of Miss Universe Philippines to inspire more people. And as a touchable queen, I love being tagged as the people's queen. And with me, being
Wow.
that kind of a queen, I can inspire other people in the community. And so, all together, we can work to create a legacy of lasting impact all together.
Thank you so much,
Wow. The new
dear.
people's
And
queen
my
in
question for
2025.
Eloisa,
Diba?
Miss
Alexi
Universe
Brooks,
Philippines
saan ka
Laguna.
pa?
Hello, stars.
Ayun pa pala.
And pageant lovers. I think Laguna has
Ah, si
a
Diva Star.
very
Nandito.
powerful batch of queens
Taray. Si
this year.
Mama.
So let's level up the question some more.
Ay,
Here's my
ayan na.
question. Which should have a higher bearing in terms of scoring? Should it be physical beauty or intelligence? And why?
Ooh.
For me, I would say beauty, because beauty can mean a lot of things. Beauty can be of a physical, superficial asset, but can also mean, the beauty of the heart within you, the beauty of your purpose. And when you have that beauty within you, it can can also translate to an intelligence in a level unimaginable. So I would say beauty, because especially in the world of pageantry, we have come a long way transitioning it from a very traditional one to a now celebratory one. And everything is really inclusive now. And beauty is also inclusive. It may be subjective, but it is inclusive. And, beauty pageants, it is not only about the beauty superficially, but also serving a very beautiful purpose. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Well, for me, I believe it's the audience
Ang
impact.
taray ng
So,
sagot ni
palakpakan, mga
Iliana.
kaibigan.
Sabi ko na nga ba, dun babagsak yung sagot ni Iliana eh. Yung pinili niya yung beauty, tapos sa beauty ng heart, tapos di ba, dun papasok yung intelligence. Grabe, ang galing. Kaya sumang-ayon na ako. Ang ganda nung sagot niya. My gosh. Panalo. Winner.
It's like Laguna versus the universe. In fairness naman. But we would like to know, syempre, there are 3 candidates competing for the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 coming from Laguna. So how will you represent Laguna in the upcoming Miss Universe stage?
For me, since I started in the world of pageantry in 2021, I've always represented my beautiful hometown, Sinaloa and Laguna, and then I had the chance to also represent the entire province of Laguna during my 2022 pageant. And ultimately, I can represent my beautiful municipality as well as the entire province of Laguna in a way by being a Filipina in Laguna, right? The hashtag Filipina in Laguna, because she's a great representation of a universal woman as well. She has this amazing spirit, she has this amazing energy, and ultimately, she has the love that is really overflowing that she can share to other people in the community. And I believe that I am that Filipina in Laguna.